Hi, my name is Kunal Raj. In this video, I am demonstrating database system lab exercise number 9. The title of the experiment is views, sequence and indexes. First question is to create a view having car ID as ID number, car type as type and color price. So syntax is we'll create or replace view1 as we'll give the name as, then we'll write our subquery as create p.car_id and p.car type and p dot base price per day, then c dot color from price details p, that will give the alias name for that, then car details c where p dot car id equal to c dot car id. So after that the view will be created. Next question is to update the above view by arranging the car type in alphabetical order. So we'll have create or replace view v1 as, then we'll write a subquery for arranging, select p dot car id, p dot car type, p dot base price per day, then c dot color from price details, car details where p dot car id equal to c dot car id, then order by we have car type. So a view will be created by the arranged car type. Third question we have display the names of cars whose price is more than the average price from the above created view. So we'll have here we need to display we need to display the view for that. So we'll have select car id from view 1 where base price per day should be greater than, then we'll select the average, select average from base price per day from view 1. So it will display all the car id which is having more than the average of from the view that we have created. Now fourth question is create the complex view having the car names, booking date and cust id. So we'll have create view, will given the name as v4 as, will write select a dot cust id, a dot booking date, c dot car brand from car booking a, then car details c where a dot car id equal to c dot car id, and after will display using select star from the view name v4. So this table will be shown which will have car name, car id, booking date, and a complex view will be created. Next we'll have create the view that displays all the car details from of all the cars which belongs to the category luxury. So we'll have create view 3 as select p dot car id and then p dot car type, p dot base price per day, c dot color, then we'll select from price details p and then car details c where we'll provide the condition as p dot car id should be equal to c dot car id, and we'll provide the car type as luxury. So when we view the above created view, we'll have this table. Now sixth question is delete the record from above view for which the price is more than 500. Now since the above created view is complex, so the record cannot be deleted from a complex view. And seventh question is evaluate the speed of access using index by creating index for the above booking number attribute. So we'll use you will create as index using create index 1 on car booking, then we'll pass the number the argument as car id. So here we'll have our index created. Last question is create the sequence for the book number and automatically increment. Now we have to create a sequence number and then we have to automatically increment the created sequence. For that we'll have first we need to create sequence sq1, give the name, then we'll have increment by 1, so incrementing factor, then start number with 14, then maximum value it should get is 9999, then we'll have non-cache and non-cycle for non-additive. Then after this our sequence will be created. Now next we have to insert the details. So we'll use insert using insert into car booking values, then we'll give first the sequence number then the value. So we'll have the sequence number sq1 dot next val, then we'll pass values like 5103, so that will be auto incremented. We'll pass the booking number, then car id, then return date and booking date. So thank you for watching the video.